Hi, everyone. Welcome to another episode with Ben, the Dynamic Digital Solutions virtual AI assistant. So, we're going to be calling Ben again today and book an appointment. We'll ask him a few more questions while we're at it.
I'm calling Dynamic Digital Solutions. This is Ben. How can I help you today?
Hi, Ben. It's Tony here. How are you?
Hi, Tony. I'm doing great. Thanks for asking. How about you? What
Yeah,
can I assist you with today?
yeah, Ben. I want to explore some options. I've currently got a Zoho CRM, and I want to explore some options about getting Zoho sites on organised and having that work with a shop and then integrating with my Xero account for bookkeeping. Does that all work together?
Absolutely, Tony. Zoho sites can be set up to create and manage your website, and it can integrate with Zoho Commerce for your shop. From there, Zoho Books can handle your bookkeeping and connect seamlessly with Xero for accounting purposes. Would you like me to connect you with someone from our team to discuss this further?
Yes, yeah, I will. But can I just ask another couple of questions first?
Of course, Tony. Go ahead with your questions. I'm here to help.
So if I have a Zoho CRM and I have Zoho sites and books, does that all end up on the one platform, or is it all separate platforms I've got to log into?
Great question, Tony. With Zoho, all those products, CRM sites and books are part of the same ecosystem. They integrate seamlessly so you can access and manage everything from a single Zoho account. You won't need to log into separate platforms. It's all centralized for convenience. Does that help clarify things?
Yeah, that's good because what I didn't want to have happen was log into one thing, then log into the next thing, and then log into the next thing. So if that works just under one central login, I'd like to go ahead and make a booking to see someone about it, please.
That's exactly how Zoho works. Tony One Central login for everything. I'll arrange for you to speak with someone from our team to explore this further. What day and time works best for you during the week?
I'm pretty flexible, Ben. If you'd like to suggest a time, I'm happy to run with that.
Thanks, Tony. How about we book you in for a session next Tuesday at 10 a.m.? Would that work for you?
Yes, that's fine. Thank you.
Perfect, Tony. I'll get that booked for you next Tuesday at 10 a.m. Someone from our team will be in touch then. Is there anything else I can help you with today?
Did you need my details?
Yes, Tony. Let me grab your details quickly. Could you please share your last name, business name, and your mobile number?
Yeah, Tony Cross from Drive Connect Car Brokers, and my mobile number is 0421 380 380.
Thanks, Tony. Got a Tony Cross from Drive Connect Car Brokers, and your mobile is 0421 380 380. You're all set for next Tuesday at 10 a.m. If there's nothing else, I'll let you go for now.
Thanks, Ben. You've been great.
You're very welcome, Tony. Thanks for calling and have a great day. Talk to you next Tuesday.
Thanks, Ben. So as you can see, Ben was able to answer some questions about Zoho and some of its interactions for me, just to clarify that I could get all that under one login. And now I've proceeded to make a booking to have a discovery session with Kim, get the ball rolling. Thanks for watching. See you next time.